Get back inside.
What, are you insane?
Look,
No, I'm
something happens to me, I don't make it back.
Yeah, well, then I'll go. You stay. Are you kidding me? He's my son, Hop. My son. I'm going. You took my boy away from me. You left him in that place to die. You faked his death. We had a funeral. We buried him. And now you're asking for my help? Can anyone tell me what's wrong with him? Can a single person in this room tell me what is wrong with my boy? What is wrong with my boy? We have to kill him. I want to kill it. We need to burn it out of him. This thing has happened long enough. Let's kill the son of a bitch.